Kristen, your Younique Elite presenter, and I needed to talk to you guys a little bit about the BB Flawless BB Cream. BB Cream is a beauty balm, which is a tinted moisturizer, and this comes in 5 different colors for your skin tone. So what does the BB Cream do, and why do we use it, and when do we use it? Well, I use the BB Cream in summer and winter. Now that it's starting to get into the winter season, I use it to help extra hydrate my skin, because we all know that our skin gets dry in the winter, and also gives me a complexion enhancer. So this is the lightest of all of the foundations, but it is going to leave you a nice dewy finish, and it has that extra boost of moisture in it with a slight tint of color. So I use this product in the summer too, for the days that I'm going to the beach or things like that, or the pool, and I just want a little bit of color, nothing too heavy, but I want to get any of the redness out and just enhance my complexion. So BB Flawless, the BB Cream, is something you have to have in your makeup bag. This is also a product that can be combined with others. You can combine it with your foundation, you combine it with a pressed powder, or even a concealer. So this is a buildable product, or you can wear it by itself. So you definitely need to get the BB Cream in your collection.